I was originally just going to do a regular cleaning video, but I decided to do a unboxing instead. I bought a new steam cleaner and a new vacuum off Amazon. I will put them both down below in the description box in case you guys want to take a look and see if it's something that you might be interested in. Both of them are very affordable and low cost, and they were also Amazon choice, so that's why I picked them. I love the colors. My vacuum is red, my steam cleaner is pink, and I think they're both awesome products just by unboxing and looking at them thoroughly. I can already tell I'm going to enjoy both of them. So let's go ahead and get on to the unboxing part of it. So my husband was cleaning out the wood burning stove, and it had like a lot of like soot and ash that was left over from so many times throughout the winter. And so he thought he would just vacuum up the mess that he made, because he literally took the pipe that attaches to the wall and he like stuck a brush up there and he cleaned all the soot because it was clogged, and we weren't able to like get the wood burning stove to work properly because it was clogged. So he vacuumed up all of the mess, and after that my vacuum started making a funny noise. It would just shut off after like 10 seconds of being on. So I knew that it was time for me to get a new vacuum. He can clean that one and try to get it to work, but he's going to use that for his own. So I just bought myself a new vacuum. I got this off Amazon. I believe it was $120, and I got it because it was Amazon choice. It had lots of good reviews on it. See, the attachments are a lot smaller than the other ones, which is going to be a lot easier, I'm assuming, to hold this thing, because the other one got really heavy. Ooh. It's actually really light. The other one, the one that I got from Walmart, was really heavy. Oh, and it has like a smaller head too, whatever you call this. And it looks like it swivels. I know that the battery is not completely charged, so I know I'm gonna have to charge this. Oh, it has a small one too. I didn't even notice that. It looks like it's gonna be relatively easy to put together though. So the reason why I picked this one out too is that it stands upright. My other one didn't do that. You had to have it up against the little cradle that it comes with to get it to stand upright, or you had to lean it up against something, and a lot of times it would fall over. It comes with an instruction manual. Ooh, I got one piece in. So what, you just like that? Seems pretty short, doesn't it? Good thing I'm only 5'1". This is like Shelly size. Ooh, it's so quiet. This is definitely not going to wake up anybody. Alright, I don't want to waste the battery. That little bit of vacuuming, it did get a lot of dust and hair. Ooh, I'm impressed already. It has this attachment, and it's really light, and it has a swivel one. So this is probably good to get into like your cabinets if you wanted to vacuum inside your kitchen cabinets. It has the brush-like one. I'm assuming this would be good for like if you're cleaning your couch or something. It has a little one. I have this ottoman here, so it's probably good to like get in there. Ooh, fancy. It looks like it comes with an extra filter. It comes with this charger right here, and you plug it in, and then you plug it into the wall, and it has different speeds. This depends on how long your battery's gonna last you. You turn it on here. It has a little, whatever you call that, and it shows you right here, low, medium, high. I'm assuming that the battery's not going to take too long to charge fully. This is nifty. I'm liking this so far. What a nice gift to myself. Thank you, Shelly. Okay, let's go ahead, and I'm going to put this back on here, and I'm going to have my husband figure out where we're going to store it. This is the Fabuletta 24 kPa cordless vacuum cleaner 6-in-1 lightweight stick vacuum with powerful suction with 250W brushless motor for pet hair, carpet, hardwood floor, and it has a max of 45 minutes of runtime. And it comes with all of these attachments here, including a user manual, the adapter, a long crevice tool, extra HEPA filter, a dust brush, a wall mount, and a cleaning tool. The mini power brush has high frequency vibration that helps slap out 99% of embedded dust and allergies from beddings and sofas. The long crevice is a hand vacuum that attaches to the metal tube, and it's used to clean crevices like curtains or stairs. The flexible hose can be combined with the long crevice or the brush,
and it offers additional reach to hard to reach areas such as cars, corners, drawers, or bookshelves. The dust brush has many uses as well. You can use it for cleaning bookcases, stairs, or keyboards. So this little round brush here, it doesn't say what it's used for in the user manual, but I'm assuming that it would be for tight corners or something like that. It also comes with a wall mount so that you can easily store it even though it does stand upright on its own. It comes with this little cleaning tool that's used to help cut hair from the little power brush, or you can use the bristle side to clean out the filters. So with all of these attachments, it says that it can be assembled into 6 combinations, meeting all of your daily cleaning needs and provides you with excellent cleaning experience.
And let's go ahead and open up the steam cleaner. See, I'm excited about this one too because I've been wanting to clean my bathtubs, and I don't know if you remember my old video. I used my power wash to clean it, and I did it with the pump off, not knowingly. I'm so glad that the pump wasn't on, otherwise I would have made a huge mess. But that thing is so bulky and really hard to get in and out of here. So I needed to come up with a better way, because getting into my big bathtub, it's really hard to get in there and clean everything with just a sponge or a scrubber. So I was trying to find ways to be able to clean it that's going to make it more functional and easier for me, so that I'm more likely to do it more often, because cleaning that bathtub is just so difficult to get in and out of there. So I'm hoping that this steam cleaner is going to do it. It comes with 2 pads, but I bought extra, and I think this has 6 of them in there. So now I have 8. And they're machine washable. Here is the head. Ooh, and you know what? It's my favorite color. It's pink. So this one looks like it plugs into the wall. It's not battery operated. So let's go ahead and try and put this together. And then you can attach it like this. And then like this. And then you could put your scrubber here. Ooh, it's a Velcro. Okay, so it's pretty tight too. So it just stays in place like that. This is what I'm going to use to clean my floors with.
This is the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner with detachable handheld steamer for cleaning hardwood or laminate floors, tiles, and grout, with a 7-in-1 multi-purpose accessories and washable microfiber pads. These pads are made with great absorbency materials, and they are tough enough to withstand repeated washing, and they just need to be washed in cold water in a washing machine, and they can be tumble dried in the dryer. This steam mop also comes with an easy to read user manual. It comes with a measuring cup to help you fill up your reservoir. The glass squeegee is used for cleaning smooth surfaces, for example mirrors, windows, or showers, but you'll see me in my next video. I used it on walls as well. The jet nozzle is used for hard to reach areas and is used as an extension for brushes and other attachments. The sponge head is used for cleaning surfaces with grease or sticky liquids, for example your kitchen table, your countertop, or water sink. The grout brush is used for cleaning narrow surfaces. For example, I used it for my walls in the corners, and I also used it for the grout on my tiles. The metal brush is used for cleaning robust surfaces, for example your dirty grills or your patio tiles. Lastly, it comes with 2 nylon brushes that is used for removing stubborn dirt and stains, for example your water taps, your bathroom fittings, hubcaps, or more. So as you can see, it comes with many attachments for all of your cleaning needs.
This is pretty damn cool, and I can't wait to start using it. Hopefully you guys like the 2 products that I bought. Again, I got both of these on Amazon. I've never done this before, so I really don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm going to be using these in my upcoming videos. These next 2 videos or so, I'm going to be using both my vacuum and my steam cleaner to clean my almost entire house, most of it. That's part of my spring cleaning. That's going to be it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I did a good job. I didn't realize what I was doing. I didn't know what I was doing. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.